Looking for a credit card that helps you manage debt and earn some rewards along the way? The NatWest Purchase and Balance Transfer credit card might be an option, but let's see how it really performs. This card is designed for people who want to transfer balances from other high-interest cards or finance purchases over time. It offers a 0% interest period for both balance transfers and new purchases, which can be a huge help if used wisely. Most people get this wrong. Transferring a balance without planning repayment can lead to high interest once the introductory period ends. Always have a strategy to pay off the balance before the 0% period expires. There's a balance transfer fee, typically a small percentage of the transferred amount, but it's still cheaper than paying ongoing interest on higher rate cards. The card also comes with standard NatWest benefits like purchase protection and fraud monitoring. Applying is straightforward for NatWest account holders, and eligibility usually requires a good credit score. The card doesn't offer significant rewards points, so it's mainly a financial management tool rather than a rewards card. In conclusion, the NatWest Purchase and Balance Transfer credit card is ideal for those looking to consolidate debt or manage large purchases interest-free for a period. Use it responsibly, pay attention to the introductory terms, and it can save you money on interest compared to other cards. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to help you make smarter financial choices.